Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your portfolio with LinkedIn, beginner guide step by step clearly. Create a LinkedIn account if you don't already have one. Choose a professional profile picture that reflects your industry. Write a compelling headline that summarizes your skills and aspirations. Complete the About section with a concise summary of your professional background. Incorporate relevant key skills to improve searchability. Request recommendations from colleagues or supervisors to enhance credibility. Connect with peers, mentors, and industry leaders to expand your network. Join relevant groups or communities related to your field of interest. Share industry-related articles or insights to showcase your expertise. Engage with others by commenting on posts to increase visibility. Regularly update your profile with new skills, experiences, or accomplishments. Utilize LinkedIn's job search feature to find relevant opportunities. Follow influential companies and industry leaders to stay informed. Customize your LinkedIn URL for a professional touch. Consider utilizing LinkedIn's publishing platform to share longer articles. Keep your profile active by engaging with your network consistently. Review analytics to understand how others interact with your profile. Adjust your profile based on feedback and the changing job landscape. Plan to revisit your profile every few months for updates and improvements. Stay proactive in reaching out and maintaining connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.